Hi everyone, I am in Muskoka, Ontario to test drive the 2021 Genesis G80 sedan. This is the backbone of Genesis. It is their first vehicle that they launched with, and now it gets redone for 2021. So it basically is longer and it's wider and a little bit shorter than the last version. But it also sheds some weight, about 125 kilograms, thanks to a lot of aluminum under its body. Now, this vehicle has Genesis' new signature face. This big mesh grille in the front, the winged badges, and these two lights, horizontal lights, that not only run at the front, but also carry along to the sides and the rear end. It really is an athletic, stunning vehicle. The interior is all about elegance and simplicity. It's a very clean design. You have a huge touch screen in the center. But if you want, you can also access using voice commands. You can use the multimedia system here where you can write in a navigation address, and you have traditional buttons and dials for the HVAC. The seating is beautiful with elegant stitching, and the rear seats are very spacious with lots of legroom. You also get a number of standard features, including a panoramic roof and privacy shades on the rear as well as the back. So there are two engine choices available. The base one is a 2.5 liter turbocharged inline-4. It develops about 300 horsepower. The other more powerful engine is a 3.5 liter V6 that's twin turbocharged and has about 375 horsepower. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. And I have to tell you, I've driven both of them and I'm impressed with both of them. They are rock solid vehicles, and as I'm driving through here, there's a lot of snow and ice and even rain at times, and this vehicle handled the road beautifully. It stuck to the ground like glue. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with the 4-cylinder engine. Given the size of this, I thought that the twin-turbo V6 was a better way to go, but really, this one is really quite powerful and fun to drive. It has different driving modes as well. Sport and Eco gives you a bit more of an aggressive feel, a sportier feel, but the comfort is just nice because this is a solid ride. What I also like about this vehicle is the fact that it's very simplistic when it comes to buying one. There are only two trims available. One has that 2.5 turbo engine, the other one has the 3.5 twin turbo. And both of those are very well equipped. So you get standard features that include the roof and a lot of other nice features, including real wood, tons of safety features to keep you safer on the road. And of course, if you go with the top trim, you get even better items. You get added features like a 3D screen, digital screen in the front, and some very cool technology. Even get this remote smart park assist. It's really cool. All you have to do is push a button to lock the vehicle and then start it. And if you're in a tight spot, the vehicle not only starts itself, but it can actually come out and drive itself out of the spot on its own using the remote. No one inside. Now that is impressive. Now the base 2.5T model starts at $66,000. The more expensive 3.5T is about $76,000. Both of them are very well equipped. And of course it's no haggle pricing, it's fixed pricing. The price that you pay is what you pay. There are no extra options to add, so it's really simple and it's very transparent. I also love the fact that you get 5 years of maintenance with this vehicle, so oil changes are included. If you need an oil change, basically someone will bring you a vehicle, take your vehicle, do the oil change, and then bring it back to you when you're done. So it's all about making the customer's life easier. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, please comment, like, subscribe to my channel, Moto Ragazza. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.